Hi, I'm Shreya and this is Decoding Code. In this video, I will be showing you guys a project that I did, just kind of using variables and inputs and outputs to just kind of bring everything together, because I have taught you guys these concepts in my previous videos, and so actually if you haven't watched those videos, please go over there and watch them first, because if you haven't, then this will probably be pretty confusing for you guys. But if you have watched that video, then this project combines those two things, and it's just a simple calculator kind of function. And yeah, let's just jump right into it. To begin, we first import scanner because we will be using inputs and outputs in this project. And we put in our doorway so that the computer knows which code to execute. Now the first step is asking the user for the first number. So it's just a simple print statement. What is the first number you would like to add? And then for getting the input, first we have to duplicate scanner, because that is how you have to do it, because the class scanner is not really up for using for us. So we have to duplicate it first and then we can play with it. And then we actually use the function of scanner called nextLine, and then you can see that there. And then we put that in a variable called firstNum. Now we ask for the second number. It's basically the same thing, except you don't have to duplicate scanner again because we already did that. And we put it in a variable called secnum, because second number. Anyways, then we convert the strings from the user to integers. Now we have to do this because when the user inputs their number, it's actually considered by the computer as a string, and then to add them together we have to convert them to integers. So I did that here, and this is actually pretty new for you guys if you've been watching my videos, and I just used this function called integer.parseInt. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but that is what it is, and it basically just takes firstNum and converts it into an integer, and then the same for secnum. Now, then we add the integers because now they're integers, and then we just do simple adding thing here. Now we are outputting the new number that we just added here called add, and then you have to make sure to put the plus and the equals in quotation marks because they are strings, and then you don't want the computer to kind of be confused. But we use firstNum and secnum because those are the strings that the user inputted, and then we do the added variable. So that would just be my add here. Now you can see I actually tested it out right here. I executed the code and it actually works, which is actually pretty cool. Now you might notice throughout the code I use a lot of comments, and this is mostly just for you guys to kind of give you a sense of what's happening here, and also you can use it in your code, the comments in your code, because they just give your code a level of organization, and it's easy to read and know exactly what is happening every single step of the way, especially for new coders. I will actually test it out again just because it's pretty fun to do it, actually, to see your code in action. So what is the first number you would like to add? I'll just do some random number like 76. And then what is the second number? Like 8. What is that? Like 84? 84. Okay. Okay, so that is it. It's pretty simple. You can just do this with addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. It's just a pretty simple calculator type function, and it's really cool because even though we've just kind of learned the basics, we can still create something pretty amazing with them. Okay, that is actually it for this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below for more content. In my next video, we will be talking about more data types because we've only gone over primitive variables. So we will go over things like strings and arrays, and that will be super cool. So I will actually see you then. I hope you like this video. Bye!